What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Chevrolet 254. As you can see, we got a flashlight. Finna get to the bottom of some stuff and spray the gadget type shit. Alright, so what we have here, y'all, Chevelle is running. As you can see, or maybe not be able to see, I'm not really sure. It seems to be like white smoke on the tailpipe. It is concerning me that it may be head gas. I'm not really sure. But what I want you to do is listen with me. Listen with me as we try to figure this out. So we cut the Chevelle off. I feel like I hear it bubbling. And of course, as you know, and if you didn't know, bubbling is bad. I mean, there's air in the coolant. And how does air get in the coolant? Through the head gasket. So I'm not exactly sure, as I don't have a flashlight to look down off in here, but my friends, it does look grim. It does look grim. I think from here, what I'll do is I'll get a test. That should be fun to watch on the replay. As I was saying, I believe we need to get a head gasket test with the little fluid to change colors and all that to see and confirm our suspicions that the head gasket is indeed leaking. Now, I do know that the Chevelle has a transmission leak. Where exactly from, I'm not sure, because this is like the beginning, really. Although I've had this car for 3 years, it's like the first time we just getting up close and personal. So yeah. Have you ever had a blown head gasket? If you have had a blown head gasket, how did you test for it? Let me know down in the comments below. Could a LS be in the future? Nah.